Today should be the day I pass my Ftmo challenge that I have here. So all things being equal, I'm trading USD Japanese yen. The opening of the day, there's US session. I mean Asia session. So the way it is I got my bias first over here. I found out that the higher time frame is having red over green, which is sell. When my market pulls back, price action pulls back, I look for sell. When market is pulling back in this situation right here, I'll be loading up to sell to the downside. So using my psychological level, I came down to 2 hours to see what's going on. We are bearish too, and I see this coming down, red on top, green at the bottom, and I have a whole of histogram red on the sell side as long as it's below zero. So with that, I checked 1 hour. What is 1 hour saying? That was when I applied the touch of the trend line. We have previous one over here, which is not relevant anymore. I will have to remove it. Here we have first, second, third touch, the fourth touch. Market still hit 100 pips over there. So coming over here, I saw this touch right here, and I started marking them up. Let me look for a marker. Yes. So this was my first touch. I saw my second touch here. On third touch, then I saw this drop and I said, okay, this should be my psychological uh, entry. So when it comes to this place, I'll be looking to exit around this area. That's the reason why I went in. Then on 15 minutes, I could see clearly that the trend is being respected so well. So I came over here when market was pulling back around this place right here. I started loading it up. So my stop loss was behind this previous high. So I came in a whole lot around this place. This is my stop loss, which is like 24. And I'm looking at ratio 1 to 2. I want to exit around this place. So I'm only targeting 50 pips over here, which I'm very close to getting. So this is the breakdown of this trade right here, my psychological level trading. So as soon as we get to this area, I'll be exiting my trade. The purpose of this trade is just to pass my evaluation. This it's a very good thing for me to know when to come into the market and what to look for. So whatever the case may be, on this account, I'm done already because at this time with this uh, profit, I'm okay. So let me see what the market is gonna give me. If we can hit that 50 pips, it should be looking at some few dollars more. So let's wait and let's see what the market will give us. So this is higher time frame telling me we should hold our trade. We're gonna get this psychological level done. You see, Sell, 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 2 hours. Telling me sell, 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 1 hour. The first histogram of sell just showed up, 1 hour, 30 minutes. You see, we have the third sell histogram just showing up. So we have crossover, 25 minutes saying sell, and 15 minutes just saying sell, sell, sell. Take profit is almost hit, and this is the touch of my trend line. At this point, we have to exit my trade. So that is what I'm going to do now. Here is just my straight money made. Very close to taking profit now. Let's see. I'm moving my stop losses to cover myself. So we're very close to taking profit now. I covered my stop losses. I brought almost everything down here. So we're looking at take profit, but to be hit. It's a very simple strategy. I've traded it over and over again. So this is what we have now. When the take profit hit, a look at the market coming to 143,500. When it hits that, then we're out of this trade. And that's it. This are my stop losses behind. Whatever we have left are my pending orders. So I'll take them off. And this is it. So that's it. I think this is the last trade that I didn't set its take profit. I'll bring my stop loss close to this place right here. So if it goes back and can take it and if it continues fine, then if fine tune it to 1 minute. Yeah, it's been taken. So that's it. And this one, I can show my metrics. I have done what I'm supposed to do, and this is the end of it. Let's see if I can log into my uh, Ftmo, and we have this ongoing metrics. So this is the metrics of the trade that I just took now, and I've passed everything here. So my maximum daily drawdown should be 500. This was the max that I was at, and let's look at my win rate. So my win rate is saying 83% 0.47. So this is what we have, and that's it for this demo challenge. So we'll come back to this. This is what we have. We may still be going to this next uh 50 pips. So it is what it is. I use psychological level to trade this, and that's the end of this trade right here. So what did I do? I came in, I checked my 4 hours, I looked at the trend of my 4 hours, though we're still bullish, but we traded the touch of trend lines. We have my filter here where the red is above green. When red is above green, that means we should be looking for sells and sells only. And right from this area too, we can see red is above green. That is my setup. That is the way I've set it up. And when green is above the red, like this, we should be buying. Then I move to 3 hours, still looking at this, we should be looking for sales. Then one hour, I saw we are around the psychological level after this drop. So I went to 30 minutes, see what was happening. I saw all this coming down again, so I went to 15 minutes to filter what we got here. Around this place, I saw the change of direction and my histogram forming around the place. So I entered for sell and I held my trade all the way till I hit my next psychological level. So that is it. You look at the psychological level now, I've gone to 5 minutes. You see market reacting on the psychological level and the touch of this trend line, which happens to be the third touch. This should be first, the second, this should be the third one right here. So if this trend is touched again, I'll be willing to sell. So from the psychological level back to the psychological level, if it breaks, I'll sell up to this and buy this one right here. So this is Asian session that I've traded. Then New York session should be able to do more. So this is what USD has given me. Happy viewing. Let me go to 15 minutes over here. So this is the simple trade.